Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Jyoti and Shruti.
And today, the wait is over. Finally, one song which you guys have been requesting forever, forever, forever. Jojo, come on, lay it out. Tell us all details about it.
It's an international collab. Everyone's super excited about it in the comment section. It is just no surprise because it features Krishna, and he's collabing with High Res, who is an American rapper. I think he's in New York and Florida based. And from what I've been told, he's a big supporter of Desi hip hop. He has a very he has a high following on YouTube on his channel, and he reacts also to songs and to a lot of Desi hip hop stuff.
Right.
So it's no surprise he's collabed with Krishna, and he's also got Royce the 5'9" on the track, who needs no intro. I mean,
Yes.
bad meets evil, so we all know who he is. So let's just get into the song because like too many comments
I'm
and
ready.
DMs.
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Let's
Yes.
see what it's about. Cool, ready?
Count me down.
Okay. One, two. I'm forgetting my numbers. One, two, three, play. Oh,
Now I've been at a crossroads, yeah. Got a lot up on my mind, I could really use a sign because everybody cutthroat, yeah. Always wasting all my time, getting really sick of trying. Homie, you don't really want smoke, nah. All the choices that I make, I just really gotta pray because I've been at a crossroads, yeah. I've been at a crossroads. Now there's a special way I kick it when I've been writing these writtens. My notebook is looking like some biblical scriptures. High res and Krishna, it don't matter if you Christian, Muslim, Jewish or Buddhist, cause music is my religion. And our vision looking picture perfect, I'm just a different person. But if you wanna test me, you'll see my pistol working. I'm submerged in these haters' minds, and success is not a destination, homie, it's a state of mind. Was
nice.
making rhymes in my father's house and doing things that I was not allowed, cause most of the time he's not around. No food in the fridge or money in the bank account. We shouldn't be here right now, we should take a bow. You could never run a mile in these Jordan 3s. They were hating on the kid then, now they calling me. This rap shit flowing through my damn arteries. And shout out to India, that country now I've been at a crossroads, yeah. Got a lot up on my mind, I could really use a sign because everybody cutthroat, yeah. Always wasting all my time, getting really sick of trying. Homie, you don't really want smoke, nah. All the choices that I make, I just really gotta pray because I've been at a crossroads, yeah. I've been at a crossroads.
About to party with lost souls like a heart attack. To martyrs of barcodes from products of crossroads like the artifacts. They got precautions, I'm strapped and ruthless. You talking, I'll go at your office, get at your Boston like Massachusetts. Probably stretch the reverend for retribution. I resurrect him with retro reference to revolution. Oppress him until he grows recessive to resolution. Those are the pressures and retrogressions of evolution. I'm just too deep, I'm cool Keith. Robber Jew thief, steady B now accuse me. Y'all looking thug, y'all talking tough, y'all soft as fuck. Y'all wouldn't mug a coffee cup.
Now I've been at a crossroads, yeah. Got a lot up on my mind, I could really use a sign because everybody cutthroat, yeah. Always wasting all my time, getting really sick of trying. Homie, you don't really want smoke, nah. All the choices that I make, I just really gotta pray because I've been at a crossroads, yeah. I've been at a crossroads.
अब देख असलियत है दिल में, मैं बाजी कभी हारा नहीं है। म्यूजिक मेरे पास, जब पास मेरे कोई चारा नहीं। मेरे लिए गलतियां हैं जैसे लड़कियां हैं, एक बार करी फिर कभी करी दोबारा नहीं। इतना किया पर जिंदगी ने है छीना बहुत, बीना बॉस पर शक्ल से you can tell I've seen a lot। मुश्किल लगे जीना पर करी नहीं सीमा क्रॉस। Only thing suicidal about me वो be my doors। दिल्ली शहर या धमकी ना खोखली, होती हाथापाई बेटा सन की या खोपड़ी। सड़क किनारों पे बनतियां झोपड़ी, गंदियां सोच और मंत्रियां लोमड़ी। नाम में भगवान पर मैंने काफी पाप किए, ये गाना मील का पत्थर मैंने रास्ते भी नाप लिए। मुझे बोला जिन्होंने मेरी औकात नहीं है, इस बेगानी शादी पे आज बने वो बाराती है।
Yeah, got a lot up on my mind, I could really use a sign because everybody cutthroat, yeah. Always wasting all my time, getting really sick of trying. Homie, you don't really want smoke, nah. All the choices that I make, I just really gotta pray because I've been at a crossroads, yeah. I've been at a crossroads.
Jojo, is it up to your expectation? थोड़ा time लगा है हमें इस पे react करने के लिए. तो like what you were expecting कि अरे release तो हो चुका है, पता था.
Yeah.
And then there's a natural build up that happens in the head, thinking it's Krishna and it's a collab. What is it going to be like?
No.
What's your first feel?
So going into it, I knew it's a collab, and there's gonna be not like long verses or anything of that sort. And also, I've been getting tagged so much on Instagram and like posts and things like that, which I try to avoid because I
Huh.
don't want to know anything about the bars or the verses or anything going in
Correct.
before
Correct.
I react to something. So no, but I kind of, from those tags, I just got to know that it's more of a chill vibe, which you can
Yeah.
see. So it's
Correct.
definitely one of those. I really like the hook. I really like the hook. I really like the beat, the
hook's
melody.
yeah.
It's very, very chill and easy to listen to. I feel like Royce the 5'9" for me. there's a few of the lines I couldn't catch, but his verse was the shortest. And
My
I
favorite
really
out
liked
of all of it.
the cup and the mug. You couldn't
Yeah, I
mug
know
a
the
coffee
cup
cup.
one. That
Um,
was so funny.
yeah, but the other one, okay, I'm just gonna pull up the lyrics in the meantime. But you tell
Sure.
me your first thoughts, because I mean, I'm really really liking that Krishna did his verse in Hindi,
Yeah.
and not English, because we know
Correct.
he's awesome. He's like super in both, and he chose to
Correct.
do his verse in Hindi, and I loved it. I love that. So that's
I
first
second
thoughts.
that completely. Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
Completely. That's exactly the moment he started singing, I was like, yes, yes. Then throughout while listening to it, I did somewhere, I don't know why, I was expecting it to be not a chill vibe. I didn't even know. I kept myself so away from all the messages that were coming. Everyone who kept saying,
Lucky
"Arey, aap
you.
react nahi karna."
I wish
I
I
just
hadn't been tagged and I didn't know that going in, but I knew
no,
that.
so the moment I was being sent all these messages, the moment I would read Krishna, I would just ignore it. I would just ignore it
Close.
immediately. I was like, मुझे पता है कौन सा मेरे को भेज रहे हैं. So I
Yeah.
wouldn't even look at it. And it's very difficult. It was very, very difficult to like do that and to not land up hearing it.
Yeah.
So for me,
But
I don't know what I was expecting.
that's good. So I want to say at this point, guys, don't tag me in spoilers posts before I've reacted to a song. So
Or just write over
tag
there
her.
spoiler pehle. So that the moment she gets it, she looks spoiler. उसी time बंद.
हाँ, उसी टाइम हम खोलेंगे ही नहीं. आप लिंक भेजो, आप रिक्वेस्ट भेजो, but spoiler post में tag मत करो. So yeah, continue.
Yeah, so basically I was, I don't know why I thought maybe it would be a really fast paced one and maybe like hard hitting, very vesa. But then
You were
I
expecting
was
that.
so I was very pleasantly surprised, and it took me, and I
Same.
kind of liked
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
I was like,
Pleasant
hey,
it was.
this is nice. It's got a very chill vibe, and I'm listening to the whole thing and everything. So pehle when when the first half of the song before Krishna came, when the song was going on, I was like, ha ha. Both are talking about their struggles in life. Both are talking about how they shouldn't have been there and they should just take a bow, and how they are so grateful for the place they're in, for the space they are, for the music they're making. I was like, Krishna kya baat karega? Like, when if this is the theme of the song and it's talking about being on the crossroads, talking about how all that struggle is on one side and now success is on the other side, because everybody is in the middle of those crossroads right now, and all of them are that kind right now, right? So, and then that's why when Krishna also came, I like how he spoke a little bit about the political scenario. He spoke, which is very Krishna. He spoke a little bit about what his life journey has been. He spoke a little bit about everything, giving like a sneak peek of his life, but sticking to the crossroad zone. So I really liked that. Yeah, that was nice.
I mean,
But let's
he went into a little bit of each zone that I
Yeah.
feel is important to him, because he
Correct.
mentioned Delhi, he mentioned politicians यहाँ पे, he mentioned
ये
यहाँ पे
देखेगा.
रास्तों पे झोपड़े बनते हैं, he mentioned what he's sort of been through, but how he didn't give up. So he mentioned, like, I think in one verse he mentioned a lot of relevant
Everything.
and important things. Yeah, for
Typical Krishna style.
I mean, especially
Kam mein zyada
keeping in
bolna.
mind the crossroads sort of
Yeah,
theme.
yeah,
Ki,
yeah.
we've all been at crossroads in our life, but yeah, let's just quickly skim through the lyrics
Now
first.
to the lyrics.
The hook, and I've been at the crossroads, got a lot upon my mind. I could really use this time because everybody cut through, always wasting all my time, getting really sick of crying. I mean, you don't really want smoke. All the choices that I make, I just really gotta pray, because I've been at the crossroads. Very smooth. Nice hook. Okay, high res. And there's a special way I keep when I'll be writing these lyrics. My notebook is looking like some biblical scriptures, high res
I
and
like this
Krishna.
bit also.
Don't
Yeah.
matter if you're Christian, Muslim, Jewish, or Buddhist, because music is my religion and my vision looking picture perfect. I'm just a different person. But if you want to test me, you see my pistol working. I'm submerged in these haters' minds, and success is not a destination, homie. It's a state of mind. Was making rhymes in my father's house and doing things that I was not allowed because most of the times he's not around, no food in the fridge. So he's talking about his past. No money in the bank account. We shouldn't be here right now. We should take a bow. We should actually, considering where we're coming from, we shouldn't even be here. But we worked hard and hustled. We did what we loved, so we're here. You could never run a mile in these Jordan 3s. They were hating on a kid then. Now they're calling me. This rap shit flowing through my damn arteries. And shout out to India, that country now part of me. Nice. So I like it. So yeah, I really like. I mean, he's given a shout out to Krishna in the thing. He's given a shout out to India. It feels like high res sort of um made this
I like how he's
happen.
mixing up the Jordan 3 like shoes ka reference jo wo udhar dal raha hai. Like it's very nice the way he's done the whole thing. It's
Yeah,
very nice.
I'm just getting this feel that he really wanted to do an American Indian collab, and it's just come from his like the desire to make this track happen has really come from and is showing in his verse. So that is nice. Royce the Pie 9, okay, about to party with lost souls like a heart attack. Tomorrow's a barcode from the product of Crossroads. Tomorrow's a barcode from the product of Crossroads, like the artifacts. They got precautions. I'm strapped and ruthless. You talking, I go at your office, get at your boss still like math. Boston, Boston like math. I think that's a spelling mistake here. Again, probably stretch the Reverend from retribution. I'll resurrect him with retro reference to revolution. Ooh. Oppress him until he grows recessive to resolution. Jeez. Knows it precious and retrogressions of evolutions. I'm just too deep. I'm cool, Keith. Ooh, nice. Cool, Keith. Didn't get that. Bribe a Jew thief, a steady B now accuse me. Y'all looking thug, y'all talking tough, y'all softest. Y'all wouldn't mug a coffee cup. Nice. Oh my god.
I'm going to use that everywhere now. Like if I have to just give it off to anybody, I'll be like, please, you couldn't even mug a coffee cup. I'm just going to like just throw it on people like that. Like it'll be fun. आधा तो उनको समझने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा 5 सेकंड तब तक मैं भाग लूंगी वहां से.
Yeah. I'll resurrect him with retro reference to revolution, oppress him until he grows recessive to resolution. I'm just okay, amazing. So moving on, Krishna's
Very
verse.
nice.
अब देख असलियत है दिल में, मैं बाजी कभी हारा नहीं, ये म्यूजिक मेरे पास जब पास मेरे कोई चारा नहीं. नाइस. मेरे लिए गलतियां हैं जैसे लड़कियां हैं, एक बार करी फिर कभी करी दोबारा
So he's
नहीं.
establishing हाँ मैं प्लेयर हूँ. किसी को अगर कोई शक था अभी तक तो प्लीज ना रखो ऐसा शक.
या इतना किया पर जिंदगी ने है छीना बहुत. बीन अ बॉस पर शक्ल से you can tell I've seen a lot. So again, he's like same zone, no, going to his struggle, mentioning what all he's been through. मुश्किल लगे जीना पर करी नहीं सीमा cross. The only thing suicidal about me will be my doors. Oh my god, nice. So मुश्किल लगे जीना पर कभी कहीं like okay, interesting. So I've been in that low zone in life, but I've never thought about taking the easy way out, basically.
Yeah.
Suicidal doors, when I first learned what they were, I think it was 2013 or 14 when I had the Ghost for a day, the Rolls Royce. I got it for a day because we were doing a campaign on radio or something. So I was given this multi-million dirham car to drive around for a day, and then I was like, yeah, feel. So anyway,
बाकी तो ठीक है. How do you drive it?
dude, I'm telling you, you literally have to touch the accelerator and it flies. It's you've got a freaking airplane engine in a car, so it's insane. But yes, the only thing suicidal about me will be my doors. Nice. Delhi शहर यहाँ धमकी ना खोखली होती. So see, Delhi mention has happened, which is nice. You gotta mention your hood. होती हाथापाई बेटा सन की यहाँ खोपड़ी, सड़क किनारों पे बनती यहाँ झोपड़ी, गंदी यहाँ सोच और मंत्री यहाँ लोमड़ी. नाम में भगवान पर मैंने काफी पाप किए, ये गाने मील का पत्थर मैंने रास्ते भी नाप लिए. So basically he's saying this song is another milestone for me, and it was on the bucket list, and Now I've been there. मुझे बोला जिन्होंने मेरी औकात नहीं है, इस बेगानी शादी पे आज बने बाराती हूँ.
Such a nice
मुहावरा.
way of putting,
It's all.
such a nice way of throwing that muhavra in. कि पहले जो ऐसे बोलते थे, अभी वो ही पीछे पीछे पढ़ के they'll be like, yeah, like saying, अरे
Yeah.
कितना अच्छा नाम दिया
Yeah.
तूने."
Now I've been at the crossroads. Yeah, I like it. I like it.
Ah,
It's a
I
very
really
easy to listen to song. It's not something
Yeah.
that's gonna be like too hard on your speakers, on your headphones, anytime, anywhere. And
And
as
another thing is that although it's a hip hop song, like normally ना hip hop genre के साथ एक वो चीज attach हो जाती है that everything becomes too hardcore. So if you're not a regular hip hop listener,
really,
maybe you won't enjoy it. That's not the case with this song. You can actually just enjoy the song as is, and I think it'll do a lot to put hip hop as a genre in India in forefront as well.
there's a whole notion that hip hop tracks are just very like hard. They have a
हाँ,
very
वही,
like hard beat and all of that, hard lyrics.
right,
But hip
right,
hop has so many subgenres and so many
correct,
different sounds.
correct.
I think this kind of falls in like normal hip hop for me.
I'm simply saying that it's helping put the genre in forefront, saying कि बॉस सिर्फ हार्ड हिटिंग गाने नहीं है और भी होते हैं
और भी
exactly
होते
what
हैं,
you
ये
said.
भी,
हाँ
हाँ, yeah,
हाँ
you're
so
right.
put it in the forefront so that everybody can listen to it, and it's not
Yeah.
just के oh only this type, so only these type of people can listen, और अरे तुम्हें समझ नहीं आएगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's
There's
very
different
nice song.
vibes. There's different
हाँ,
vibes in hip hop, basically.
correct, correct.
So this is I like this. I like this vibe. And also, he said here that ये मेरे लिए मील का पत्थर है, मैंने रास्ते भी नाप लिए. So he's making it very obvious and very clear that look, I have certain goals and things on my bucket
Correct.
list as an artist, things that I want to do and tick off my list, and
Hmm.
places I want to be and people I want to collab with, and things I want my name on, and this is one of them. And I think it speaks of what's sort of to come.
Krishna's going international.
And he's only released one song so far from Still Here, right? So maybe there's a lot more collabs in there that are gonna be surprises or shocks maybe for people, and collabs that no
2021
one
is going to be
one full on year where one surprise after another basically comes, and
Correct.
each surprise is one meal ka patthar.
But video क्यों नहीं बनाया यार? मुझे music video देखना था.
So
I was really looking forward.
he's asked in the description, he says, do you guys want a music video?
Yes,
So who
yes.
knows, it may come in the future. If it comes, we'll
मतलब
watch
ना
it.
कौन बोलेगा? सोचो ना कौन बोलेगा? मतलब ये क्या सवाल हुआ?
That is true. That is
हाँ.
true. We want a video. Is it even a question? But maybe they just put this together, yeah, during the times we live in, pandemic times. So it's an awesome thing that it actually even happened. Audio भी हुआ तो बहुत बड़ी बात है ना? Video होगा तो obviously the fandoms will go crazy.
And also, by the way, we must discuss this. We grew up listening to all these different artists, all the hip hop artists, the international names, and now Krishna's name is going to be there among those names. कोई भी जब अपने करियर को बड़ा करता है, the first thing one does is पूरे इंडिया में मेरा नाम होना चाहिए. फिर अरे इंडिया में हो जाएगा, उसके बाद international I will go. International जाने के बाद पूरा world में मेरा नाम होगा. So this keeps increasing, and यहाँ पे that first jump has happened for Krishna.
The first step has happened, yeah.
Right. So for internationally also for the hip hop community, Desi hip hop community, I think it's a huge deal.
It's a huge deal, and I think definite like full props to Hi-Rez, because I think he must have made this happen. From what I've heard, he's so passionate about the Desi hip hop scene, and he keenly watches and he appreciates, and he reaches out, I guess, to the artists and connects with them. And imagine for Krishna, he's probably been inspired by and grown up watching Royce with Eminem and Bad Meets Evil, and your name now is on a record with someone you looked up
That's
to for the
huge.
longest time. It's huge. It's huge for like not just an artist, but just any human being, someone they've admired, and then they work with them. It's just massive. So I think I don't know, like Hi-Rez, thank you for making this happen. Not just for Krishna, but just for the Desi hip hop scene in general, and we can just hope now that at some point Eminem also listens to this track and hears about Krishna and hears about the Desi hip hop scene and many, many, many more collabs happen,
हम तो
right?
धन्य धन्य हो जाएंगे एट दिस पॉइंट द ओनली विजुअल इन माय हेड इज इनकी ये जो क्रॉस रोड्स है वहां पे हम अपनी छोटी सी ऐसी चेयर्स लेके वहां पे चिल करेंगे एंड वी विल जस्ट वॉच देम मेक अमेजिंग म्यूजिक एंड एंजॉय इट साइडलाइंस
And
में
we'll
बैठ
have
के
some chai by the roadsides
yeah
and wait for the tracks to drop.
I love
So
it I love that
I
visual
love it. Hi Rez, you can join us for the chai. But thank you again for making this happen. And what's not to like about this track? We're just waiting for a video now. Drop it
please
already.
quickly yes
On
Chalo,
that
on that
note,
note
yes.
bye.
See you in the next one. Bye.